How to change app icon in Base44. In this video, I'll show you how to change app icon in Base44. So to get started, go ahead and open Base44 into your browser, sign into your account, and then click on the apps button at the top left of your screen. Now on the apps section, you'll be able to find all of the applications you've created with Base44. Click on the application which you want to change the app icon to. So you need to click on it to be able to access it. And then once you're inside this project, click on this dashboard button, which you'll find at the left side of the preview button. So with the preview button, you can actually have a preview of your application. But with the dashboard, you'll find a section. So click on settings under this and then click on app settings. Now from here, go ahead and click on this edit logo button at the right side of your current app logo. And as you can see, you can go ahead and upload your logo from your local drive. You can also generate it with Base44. So as you can see, you just need to enter the command prompt on that area to generate the logo. You can also upload it from your local drive for as long as it's a PNG or JPEG photo. And then click on the save button to save the app icon that you just created and uploaded on Base44. And that is how you can basically change app icon in Base44. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.